Have a damaged plank in the middle of your floating floor? Good news. You don't need to tear up the entire room to fix it. In this video, we'll show you a professional plank replacement method called the envelope cut. This technique allows you to remove a damaged plank and install a new one while keeping the surrounding floor intact. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your tools you'll need. Circular saw, hammer, chisel, suction cup. Optional but helpful. White wood glue, hammer or rubber mallet. Tapping block before starting. Make sure you have a replacement plank that matches your floor. Step 2. Make the envelope cut. Using a circular saw, cut 2 diagonal lines across the damaged plank, creating an X shape. Important: set the blade depth about 0.5 mm less than the plank thickness. This helps protect the subfloor underneath. Stop short of the corners to avoid cutting into surrounding planks. Take your time. Precision is key. Step 3. Finish the corners. Use a chisel to carefully finish the cuts in the corners. Work slowly until the small triangular pieces can be loosened and lifted out. This allows the damaged plank to be removed without disturbing adjacent boards. Step 4. Remove the damaged plank. Remove the 4 sections of the damaged plank one at a time. Once all pieces are removed, clean the opening thoroughly. Vacuum away dust and debris so the replacement plank sits perfectly flat. Step 5. Prepare the new plank. Now we need to modify the replacement plank. Remove the tongue on the short side, the lower groove lip on the long side, the lower groove lip on the short side. Leave the tongue on the long side intact. This remaining tongue will click into the existing floor during installation. Step 6. Test fit the new plank. Before applying glue, place the replacement plank into the opening and check the fit. Make sure all edges align properly. A suction cup can help lift the plank back out if adjustments are needed. Step 7. Apply glue. Apply white wood glue to the click connections of the surrounding planks. Use enough glue for a strong bond, but avoid excessive squeeze out. This glue will secure the replacement plank since some of the locking profile was removed. Step 8. Install the new plank. Insert the replacement plank into the opening. First, engage the long side tongue into the existing groove, then carefully lower the plank into place. Check that all seams are aligned and tight. Step 9. Tap joints tight. Using a tapping block and hammer, gently tap the joints closed. Do not strike too hard. The goal is to create tight, clean seams without damaging the floor. Once everything is aligned, place weight on the repaired area for about 20 minutes while the glue sets. And that's it. The damaged plank has been replaced without removing the surrounding flooring. When done correctly, the repair becomes nearly invisible and can add years of life to your floor. Thanks for watching.